Hey everyone! In the present landscape of escalating smartphone prices, particularly among Chinese brands, the Blackview BL7000 is a new tough smartphone that achieves an excellent balance between durability, functionality, and affordability. The BL7000 presents itself as a strong choice for those seeking a reliable, sturdy gadget without breaking the bank. From the moment of unpacking, the BL7000 leaves a lasting impact. In addition to a 45-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, a leather wristband, a SIM ejector tool, and a user manual, it arrives in a sizable, vibrant package. Despite its low cost, this attention to detail makes for a luxurious unboxing experience. The BL7000's IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD military certifications demonstrate its protection-focused design. This indicates that it can withstand shocks, dust, water, and harsh environments. Its body weighs a substantial 357 grams and measures 14.5 millimeters in thickness. It is made of a combination of rubber, plastic, and metal, which are common components in hard phones. With its bold, simple layout and fingerprint-resistant matte plastic back, the design, particularly the camera module, seems to draw some inspiration from Huawei's aesthetics. Practical features like a hybrid SIM/SD card port, volume rockers, a power button with an embedded fingerprint reader, and a customizable button on the side are all included in the BL7000's hardware. A rubber flap securely conceals the 3.5mm headphone jack and Type-C charging connector. Gorilla Glass 5 protects the 6.78-inch Full HD Plus panel display. Depending on your preference, you can vary between its 120 Hz refresh rate. It's not a high-end monitor, but for the price, its colors, viewing angles, and general responsiveness are excellent. The Dimensity 6300 chipset, a new 5G-capable CPU that acts as a contemporary substitute for the Helio G99, powers the BL7000 in terms of performance. It scores more than 400,000 points on benchmarks, which is respectable but not exceptional. Another advantage is the long battery life, which is made possible with a 7,500 mAh cell. According to published specifications, it supports 33-watt charging even though a 45-watt charger is included. In order to charge additional devices, OTG reverse charging is also available at 6 watt. The BL7000 has a compass, call recording capabilities, and glove mode for outdoor and useful use. It comes with good performing light and proximity sensors. For a tough phone at this price, the camera system is really good. It has a 20 megapixels night vision sensor, a 50 megapixels primary camera, and a 32 megapixels front camera. Despite not being flagship grade, the images and videos are surprisingly nice, with the ability to record at 30 frames per second in 2K resolution. So, you're getting a phone with excellent cameras, a nice display, AI tools, a long battery life, and 5G capability for that price. It's also waterproof and drop resistant. The BL7000 is a welcome addition to the tough device market, especially for those on a tight budget who don't want to sacrifice functionality or dependability due to the exorbitant prices of many smartphones nowadays. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.